Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is the Tesvor S5 Robot Vacuum and Mop.
So some of my favorite features are, of course, the laser LiDAR technology it has. So it's very methodical. It does the borders and then goes back and does the middle. Here you can see the actual speed and how it sounds. So I love that it's very quick, it's very thorough, it has nice strong suction, yet not too loud. And the battery also lasts a really long time. So on one charge, this can definitely do my whole house. It also has no problem going up and down onto thick pile carpet and does a great job at vacuuming as well. I love that it can get all around into every nook and cranny and does a great job at picking up even big objects and also dusting. Just look at how it gets all the dust from underneath the baseboards with the brush. It is amazing. And then once you're ready to dump out the dustbin, it's super easy to open up. And then you can also put in the water canister that comes for the mopping function. It's very easy to just clip in and take out again. So fill it with some distilled water I like to use. And then once it's in, it'll automatically start mopping with that same laser technology so you don't miss a single spot. It also comes with a great app for your phone, which is very easy to use and shows you the map of the progress it's making. And you can also control your robot vacuum from the application. Once it has completely finished the map of the house or whatever you have assigned it, it will go home to its home base where it will start charging for the next clean.
This heavy-duty robot vacuum can really do it all. It has so much great technology built into it, so it makes it so much easier to clean your house. You can just be sitting on your couch and be cleaning at the same time. So I highly recommend picking this up. Not only can it vacuum, it can also mop, so it can really do it all. And I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.